Okay, building with Papa. This is our table out here on our patio. I feed the birds and squirrels out here. I usually have an umbrella on there. Well, if you saw my other video on how to repair your umbrella, I did it with PVC. The only problem when you do that is you can't bring the umbrella back down if you're having a storm. Well, we had a storm about a week ago, and this is what my umbrella looks like now. Okay? It's no good. Alright? The PVC repair stood, and it's good, but the umbrella is no more. The storm came quickly, and there wasn't anything I can do. In the morning, my table was tipped over, and my umbrella looked like this. So I had to order a new one. And this one just came in today. So I'm going to go ahead and mount it. The birds seem to like it. They get under the shade. They eat the seed. Well, alright, let me get this umbrella up. Okay, so now we got our new umbrella. They're inexpensive. This is the stand pole. Got a lot of water in there. Turn it upside down. Everything looks good. Okay, I get it so that the string is now tight. So when I looked inside, the string was loose. I want to be able to handle it properly. It's a little bit of wind, but should be no problem. Okay, that's it. I have a new umbrella up. They're very inexpensive. You can see them in the description. You can purchase one yourself. They're real simple to do and install. And if it breaks, I'm going to do my PVC trick. Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Give me a thumbs up. Make a comment. Okay? Buy an umbrella. It's summertime. How to fix your umbrella, or know when it's time to buy a new one.